let's solve this question together. It says 4 raised power x is equal to 84. How do we solve this? Now, first thing we can do here is to say, let's write out the multiples of 4. This is equal to 2 squared, okay? Now, for the multiples of 84 on the other hand, this can be equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, okay? Now, 2 times 2 is something as 2 squared times 3 times 7. Now, replacing 4 raised power x with this and 84 with this, we're going to have 4 raised power x now becomes 2 raised power 2 or raised to the power of x to be equal to 2 squared times 3 times 7. Okay, now from here we have, let's multiply the powers, okay, since this is what we have. So we have 2 raised power 2x is equal to 2 squared times 3 times 7. Okay, now let's say the logarithm of both sides. So we say logarithm of 2 raised power 2x is equal to logarithm of 2 squared times 3 times 7. Now, this logarithm, we'll take it in the base of the number carrying x. So the number carrying x is 2, so we take the logarithm in base 2 of both sides. Alright? Moving on from here, we now have, let's multiply this power with the log. So we have 2x multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 is equal to, on this side we have logarithm in base 2 of 2 squared plus logarithm in base 2 of 3 plus logarithm in base 2 of 7. Now from here we are going to have logarithm of a number to its own base is 1. So we have 2x left here to be equal to, on this side we have 2 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2. Okay, from here we now have this to be equal to, logarithm of 2 to base 2 is 1 times 2 is 2 plus logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2. Let's divide each term by 2 now. We now have that our x is equal to 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus 1 over 2 into logarithm of 3 to base 2 plus logarithm of 7 to base 2. And this now becomes the final answer of x in this question. Thanks for watching. If you understood, please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.